As an avid human, I've been vlogging for quite some time. Combine that with gear acquisition syndrome and the inclination to overpack when traveling abroad, and well, you've got yourself a sore back. As well as the top 5 vlogging essentials. Spectacular! So in order of most common to least common, let's go. And there may be a bonus accessory in there. Or not. Watch to find out. A microphone. When making a video, it's so easy to overlook bad video quality, but bad audio quality, that becomes unbearable. Also make sure the mic has a wind muff for any windy days because you don't want your audio being destroyed. For example, alrighty, it looks like the wind is starting to pick up, and I have reviewed a few different mics on my channel if you were interested. The Beetle Clip. Now if you don't know what the Beetle Clip is, this will change how you vlog forever. Essentially you get this clip which attaches onto your bag and it comes with a base. The Beetle Clip uses an arcus twist, I would highly recommend it. And you attach this to your camera. With all of that combined, you've got a parking spot for your camera. This allows you to do a run and gun vlog, as well as living in the moment and putting the camera away. After you've captured everything, of course. As an added bonus, PG Tech also have an action cam mount, so you can use your Osmo Action or any other action cam on here and clip it to your bag for some good POV shots. And in case you're worried it might fall out or get stolen, there's also a locking mechanism. There are alternatives like the Peak Design camera capture clip, but I don't like that because you have to enter their ecosystem. Just get me one mount that's global and reusable for everything. The camera strap. Speaking of Peak Design ecosystem, I love their camera straps. Ooh. There are different straps for different chaps. However, the bigger ones will support more load. It makes carrying your camera easier and provides you a level of comfort in case you drop your camera. Camera straps are pretty self-explanatory. I don't think there's any real further elaboration from my side. My word is fine. Rain cover or waterproof camera. So I've got 2 things for this. The first one being this rain cover, which is essentially a rain jacket for your camera, and the next one, an action cam. This is my backup on super rainy days.
Hey guys, it's professional vlogger Hentakler. I'm gonna do a vlog on my Osmo Action 3. I'm turning it on, it's in record mode. That means vlog time's on.
In the rain too. Alright, he's lost forever.
The alternative is carry your full frame camera like a mad lad and use that weather sealing your lens has got. And remember, switching to your secondary is faster than reload. And honestly, there are no excuses for this one. If you don't have a rain cover for your camera or an action cam that's waterproof, you've also got your phone, which is a 4K waterproof IP67 whatever it is camera. And the bonus accessory, silica gel. On rainy days or super humid environments, you want to make sure you have some silica gel ready. This stuff will help dry all your gear as well as minimize chances of your lens developing fungus.
Brother,
On that note, I also use silica gel in unison with the next accessory, a silicone lens hood. This is one of those products I never knew existed and I never knew I needed until I tried it out. I saw it online in a YouTube shorts, no clue who uploaded it, so sorry, can't give you your credit. But I will take all that credit, so please subscribe to my channel. Oh, and like the comments. I mean, like the video. And comments to likes. Now what this product does is it gets rid of all the reflections in the glass, allowing you to put your camera right up to a window and film something without reflections. And you may think, why not get a CPL filter? It's a bit fiddly and I find that it changes the way that the image looks. For better or worse, that's up to you. So this is a great alternative. The other thing about this is that it's collapsible, so it can be stored very easily. I find this to be a very useful tool in many locations such as your hotel, a chairlift, observatory, and Shibuya Scramble. And the proof is in the pudding, so check out this time lapse of Hiroshima Castle I did from my hotel room. Also, it should be worth noting that your lens doesn't need to be flush with the glass, so you can actually control your framing. And also, I previously mentioned that I use silica gel in unison with this, and that's simply when the outside is cooler than the inside, and you don't want to get that fogginess in your frame. And that brings us to the end of the list. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you have any comments, I only accept positive ones, negative ones, don't comment it. I will cry. Otherwise, get home safely.